Alright, this is the Hohem iSteady X unboxing. Tear it. That is what's inside the box. The Hohem iSteady X gimbal, rated at a 280 gram payload. The weight of the actual device is only 259 grams, which is the lightest that we have found on the market. Also comes with a tripod. Pops into the 1/4" mount. Give that a little screw in. Bam, there we go. Nice and compact. And there we are. So what else is in the box? USB-C, a wrist string thing. A nice little carry pouch. Anything else? Silicone, paper, manual. Nothing on the box, throw that away. 259 grams. Let's weigh this. We're ultralight. We want to keep it light. Video doesn't need to be heavy. Oh, looks like 259. 30 grams, nice and light. And that is the 60-second unboxing of the Hohem iSteady X.